Here I have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and enable scan QR codes. And when you have this feature enabled, you can scan, like for example this QR code, and it will automatically you can automatically open the page encoded in this code. Just open in browser. Okay, let's do it one more time. Show options, open in browser, and here you will see the page encoded to this QR code if you have internet connection. Unfortunately I don't, so yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.